criminal trial in New York. Tabloid publisher David Pecker is set for more cross-examination today. Aaron Katursky is at the courthouse. Good morning, Aaron.
Good morning, George. In 3 days of testimony so far, David Pecker has broken his silence about the dark art of catch and kill, helping Donald Trump's 2016 campaign by quashing negative stories. Today, he's under more cross-examination by Trump's attorneys. 6 months after Donald Trump became president, he invited National Enquirer publisher David Pecker to the White House. As the two men walked to dinner, Pecker recalled Trump asking, "How's Karen doing?" Pecker said he told the president, "Karen's quiet. All's going good." According to Pecker, the Enquirer had paid Playboy model Karen McDougal $150,000 to keep her claim of a sexual relationship with Trump out of print. Trump denies the affair, but Pecker testified, "I believe the story was true. It would have been very embarrassing to Trump and also to his campaign." Pecker recalled visiting Trump Tower after Trump was elected. Around his desk, he had James Comey, Sean Spicer, Reince Priebus, and Michael Pompeo. Trump wanted to talk about Karen McDougal. "How's our girl doing?" Pecker recalled Trump saying, "I want to thank you for handling the McDougal situation." Months later, McDougal appeared on television. Pecker said Trump called him to complain. "I thought you had and we had an agreement with Karen McDougal that she can't give any interviews." Pecker said top White House aides Hope Hicks and Sarah Huckabee Sanders called him too. Pecker testified both of them said that they thought that it was a good idea for the Enquirer to extend McDougal's contract. The defense portrayed these kinds of arrangements as routine, standard operating procedure for a tabloid. And under cross-examination, Pecker testified he paid to spike a story about Rahm Emanuel during his run for mayor of Chicago, and strong-armed Tiger Woods into appearing in one of his fitness magazines by using an unflattering story as leverage.
It was breathtaking and amazing testimony.
The defense argues Trump wanted to bury salacious stories to protect his family, but Pecker testified otherwise. Once Trump started running for president, did he ever say anything to you that indicated that he was concerned about what Melania Trump or Ivanka Trump would think, prosecutors asked? No, Pecker replied. It was basically, what would the impact be to the campaign? Pecker will be under cross-examination. It's expected for a few more hours, George, before he steps down as the first witness in this historic criminal trial of a former president. George?
Yeah, we're still waiting for the judge to rule on contempt. Okay, Aaron, thanks very much. Let's bring in our chief legal analyst, Dan Abrams. Let's start with David Pecker. He's going to have more cross-examination today. How's his case, how's his story holding up?
I think so far he's giving the prosecutors what they want in two big ways. Number one, he's laying the foundation for the argument that this was about the election. David Pecker knew it was about the election. Donald Trump knew it was about the election. Michael Cohen knew it was about the election, etc. But the second thing he's doing is he's backing up the testimony to come of Michael Cohen, right? Michael Cohen is a problematic witness, but very important witness for the prosecution. And so they have to corroborate everything Michael Cohen is saying. David Pecker helps with that a lot. He talks about a lot of conversations between him and Michael Cohen is likely going to say, "I talked to David Pecker. Here's what we said," and if the prosecutors get what they want, it will be consistent.
And prosecutors will probably put Hope Hicks in there before Michael Cohen
right,
as well.
Exactly, to make it all back up everything of Michael Cohen before he comes in so that the stage has been set.
Let's turn to the Supreme Court. It looks like